Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tech Stack Hub. Today I'm going to show you how to view your this saved Wi-Fi password on your Windows devices. You can see I am currently connected on the secret service Wi-Fi network. Let's click on the start menu and go to the control panel, and you will get a option network and internet. If you don't see this option, then click on the view only to category and you will get this option, and click on this Windows option, this option, and you will get two more option. And to click on network and sharing center, and at this point you can see the Wi-Fi connected blue color option. Okay, you can currently click on this place and you can view the password, and other option you will get the change adapter setting, and you will get your connected devices in this place. And you can see my Wi-Fi devices also here. I will click on right and click on status, then I will get a few options. I need to be select the wireless properties, and you can see there is two more option, connection and security. You need to be click on security tab, and in this place you will get this administrator permission with show characters, and if you mark this you will get the Wi-Fi password of are you are currently connected with. For now, just copy this password and share with another devices you wants to connect. If this helped you, hit like button, subscribe and press the bell icon so you do not miss any quick Windows tips. So if you want, drop a comment with your Windows version and I will make a follow-up that covers Windows 11 visuals especially. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.